Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your NetShort password. For that you just need to open your app, and then what you need to do is go straight to your go straight to your profile icon. Log out from this and I can show you. And I'm in my login page, and let me tell you, NetShort doesn't have any password or ID. You can simply sign in with your Facebook, Google and Apple. So it doesn't have any password. So as I told you, NetShort doesn't have any ID or password, so you don't have to remember your password. Neither you can. As I told you guys, NetShort doesn't have any password, so you cannot reset it. You can simply sign up with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Select your Google account like this, and you will see you are signing in back to NetShort, and that means you don't need any kind of password. So simply tap on continue button, and then that is how you can log into your NetShort app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.